This man was denied a credit card, so he built an alternative to cards. Let's discuss how Russel Cummer, a credit card trader, was denied a credit card, and as a revenge, he built this unicorn startup. Russel Cummer worked with Goldman Sachs Inc. as a credit card trader in Tokyo when he tried to get a credit card but failed. This is a familiar tale in Japan, especially for young people without credit histories. But Cummer's answer was quite unusual. He formed a company to offer people an alternative way to credit cards. His company, Paidy Inc. is a platform for consumers to pay at online stores using only their name and email address. It is optimized for mobile and instant checkout and allows consumers to buy online and does not require a credit card or a pre-registration. It is one of the few unicorns in Tokyo with a value of at least 1 billion backed by Visa and Soros Capital Management. It is a major player in Japan's buy now pay later sector when this business model is gaining popularity worldwide. Cummer says, "It is so hard for me to get my first credit card in Japan, so we decided to become the credit card equivalent for those who don't use credit cards." So what is this buy now pay later business model? Buy now pay later program is another way to make payments for your purchases where buy now pay later company will make the payment to the vendor on your behalf. You will have the privilege to make the payment of your purchase to the company after a certain period. This model is gaining huge popularity worldwide as the pandemic fueled a boom in e-commerce. Their zero installment plans are very famous among young customers as credit card companies charge huge interest, whereas customers do not need to pay any interest to buy now pay later company. Russel Cummer proved that denial could give a birth to a brilliant idea. What are your thoughts about this amazing story? Tell me in the comments below. Stay tuned with me for an amazing content that's on its way.